Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to enroll an existing and new student using the staff portal. It's simple. To start, head to the navigation menu and select the admission. Then click on the Enroll Student button. Now pick a course for the student. You can browse the list or use the search bar, up to you. Once you find the course, click it and hit Next to proceed. To enroll an existing student, choose their name from the drop-down list. If you're enrolling a new student, toggle the Add New Student option. Let's first clarify the differences between the two options. Individual. This option is perfect for adding a single student. It's straightforward and designed for one person without linking to other family members or accounts. Family. This option lets you add multiple related users as part of a single family unit. Think of it like creating a household account, perfect for parents or guardians who need to link their profiles with their children or specifically with a minor child. For this tutorial, let's pick individual account. Now let's fill in the required details and save. The new student will then be selected automatically for enrollment. Click Next to continue. We'll move on to scheduling the course. Select the teacher from the drop-down menu. You can choose a specific teacher or select any teacher for more flexibility. Then, decide on the preferred days. If you want the system to show all available time slots automatically, tick any time. If you'd rather input specific times, untick any time and enter your preferred times manually. Once that's set, click Refresh Schedule to load the calendar. Now select the new date and time, then select Next to proceed. On the course calendar page, you'll see the sessions by series, day, and time. Review everything, then hit Next. Choose whether to handle payment online or offline, and select a method: cash, bank transfer, check, or card. Once everything looks good, click Confirm Enrollment to finalize the student's admission. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.